Today is the 1st of August, and God has been good. God has been kind. God has been wonderful. There's so many things that we can be grateful for. There are so many things that we can praise God for. There are so many things that we can say, God, you're too good for. But we are busy focusing on the things that didn't work out. We are busy focusing on the things that didn't go well. From the 1st of January up until now, you have had so many things that have been happening in your life, and God has been good. You have to take your time and say, God, you're good, you're kind, you're wonderful. I'm grateful for where I am. I'm grateful for what you're doing in my life. I'm grateful for where you're taking me. I'm grateful for what I have, because there's so many people that want what you have and they do not have it. I look at this other lady who is a pastor in Miami, and she always talks about her infertility journey. Like, it took her 8 years to have kids, and now she has four kids in the marriage, and it's something that she is grateful for. But at some point, she didn't have something like that, and there's someone who's just out there who has kids without even going to fertility, without even going through struggling through infertility or anything, and that person is not even grateful. That person is always complaining, my kids are like this and that, my husband is like this and that, my child is like this and that. At least we have a child, someone doesn't have that. At least we have a job, someone doesn't have that. And I want us to be grateful in this season, so that God can bless us with more, because we are grateful for what we have, so that God can bless us with more, because we are showing gratitude for what we have. People are always complaining, like, okay, I don't have this, I don't have that. But what do you have? What are you holding? Moses was told that, what are you holding in your hands? That which you're holding, use it to part the Red Sea. That which you're holding, use it to part whatever that is happening in your life. That which you're holding, use it for the next step in your life. We are so grounded by what we don't have, and we forget to see what we have. We are so focused on what's not working, and we forget to see, like, there's something that is working out in our lives. There's so much that you can be grateful for today. There's so much that you can take your time and say, God, you are too good. There's so much that you can say, God, I am grateful for this. And things take time. We have to know that things take time. Good things, they always take time. And be a person who's always grateful. Be a person who's going to stand your ground. Be a person who's going to be motivated to do better. But in the season that you are not having the results of the prayers that you prayed for, please be grateful. Show gratitude in every step of the way. Show gratitude in whatever that you're doing, and God will definitely bless you. Your time is coming. Your season is coming. It may not be now, but your season is coming. Be blessed. Bye bye.